What's up, y'all? Storm Chaser Brandon Alexander. Today, I'm going to show you how I clean my truck. First, we start by throwing stuff out of it, and then we go to cleaning it. On a real note, though, I have a whole tub here full of stuff dedicated to keeping the outside and inside of the vehicle clean, including waxes, sprays, microfiber cloths, including a mini vacuum. The inside gets relatively dirty as I drive around every weekend with it whenever I'm home, and there's stuff that has to come out of it. The dash gets dust on it, and I don't like to have dust on it. I like to have a very clean vehicle. However, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get in my bucket, and I'm going to get stuff to wipe off the dash and wipe off the seats and wipe everything off. For cleaning the inside, though, I have two choices. I can either take a rag and use spray, which I'm waiting to use, or I can use cleaning wipes. The cleaning wipes are really good for the radios up front because it doesn't leave any particles behind. After several wipes, the truck is finally clean. Well, I got a vacuum still, because that's disgusting. But taking a look at the center console, it is crisp and clean now. I don't know how well you can tell on the camera. The dash is nice and clean. The monitors have been cleaned. The seats are cleaned. Now I just got to vacuum it and get to the back seat. Alright, the truck's been vacuumed. I'm not going to wipe down back here, because this is where all my tools sit. Everything in the front is clean now, including the floorboards. Other than them needing washed, I vacuumed under them. Dash is clean. Everything is clean, just like anticipated. Because this got to be business in the front and party in the rear, because that's what makes it fun. Then lastly, I choose from one of my 4 scents. This one, Black Frost by the Chemical Guys, I like personally. I spray it twice here, twice there, and twice in the back. And then normally I'd proceed to wash the outside, but I'm not going to wash the outside and clean the outside. So that's how I keep this rig clean. Hit that follow button.